Okay. So I left a note on Planet Fitness's social media today that they don't allow service dogs because, we've all seen my videos over and over of them saying it. And I got a response from Planet Fitness, and let's look at that here. Planet Fitness: Hi, Colton. By law, we are actually required to accommodate service animals, and we encourage you to bring the correct documentation to your home club for them to verify. If you have any questions or concerns, you're more than welcome to send us a direct message. Thanks, and have a good one. So, yeah, and that's my fucking screenshot of it. I don't want that. Go over to the actual. Here's the not the screenshot of it. They discriminated against service dogs from my original post. And then one of their customers steps in. So first, every time Planet Fitness gets me with the social media, they advertise to me. I'm like, well, look, I'm not allowed to be a member of your club because of service dog discrimination. So first I say they discriminated. Then one of their customers goes, bro, it's a gym. Take your dog on a walk. So I'm not welcoming my service dog, which is something I've seen from other Planet Fitness members. And this one, it's out of order. The one at the top is the reply to the one at the bottom here. And then Planet Fitness comes in and says that I need to bring the correct documentation to my home club for verification. So there's three parts that are wrong with that. One, they're asking for documentation. Two, they're going to verify this documentation. There's no such thing as real documentation, so that's a fail. And three, I got to bring it to my home club for verification, meaning it's a national fucking club. One of the particular plans I had was the Vegas trip coming up. I was going to go out there to Vegas. So if I show up in Vegas and they're like, well, no, you need to go to your home club back in California to bring the proper documentation for them to verify, that's a triple fail. So after 7 years, they have no training. The management and the social media response team, the upper level, have no ability to respond. They have no training, no nothing. So what's the deal? Like, it's just clear. And this is my old message thread. I contacted them about the last video where the girl said you can't have a service dog in the club because you're not disabled enough. Here's screenshots of that. The Laura Comfort girl. No response. Not only did you fail to respond, not. Oh, that's annoying. I can't use my voice dictation. Fail to respond last time your members me for having your management is hacking and has oh fuck, brought up my recorder menu. And we'll give them a little screenshot of right there. how... Oh, I'll try it again. On accident. Oh, well. Anyway, that's just the... how it works. Not only do they discriminate, that they are going to continue to discriminate in all circumstances, and after repeated, I do that. I've been doing that for like 3 years now. So this, and I can see the old comment thread from last time I posted something like, "Hey, your company discriminates against service dogs," and their customer comes in like, if you need a service dog, you're too sick to be at a gym. You shouldn't be here." Okay, and they don't give a shit about that. And then I post the same thing again. You're not allowed to have service dogs, and they come on with, "Oh, bring your proper certification to your home club for verification." Like, that's sad. Well, I got that screenshot pulled up here. I can just post that screenshot. Anyone that reads that will know how bad of a fuck up it is. So we'll just saturate that a little bit.
This is your living.
Now I got to get this uploaded, and I have no bandwidth here, meaning I'll have to delay. I'll get it done though. Planet Fitness discriminates against service dogs now and forever.